Very nice looking racing car. Friends, see, we have a big cow. Is a very nice looking light aeroplane. See? Welcome back friends to our brand new video. This is very nice and green environment here all around me, and I am in the middle of jungle. See, there are dense clumps of bushes all around me, and today I am here with a bucket full of toys. See, there are various types of toys here, and I'm going to hide these toys inside these green dense clumps of bushes. Okay, so let's hide them one by one inside the jungle. So what is the first one, friends? The first one is a very nice looking racing car. Friends, see the color. This is very nice looking. Wow, I think this car can run very fast. Okay, see, there is a little switch at the back. Wow, and this is looking at us. Various types of stickers all around the body. So I think you friends like this one. This can run very fast, I guess. And see, there are seats for the passengers inside the racing car. Okay, and there are 4 little wheels. I like this one, and I'm going to hide this one inside the jungle. Okay, I'm going to hide it here so no one can see. Wow, friends, nicely hidden. So let's see what is the next one, friends. The next one is a very nice looking little train. Wow, see, it's a light train, 4 little wheels. It's yellow, red and green color combination. Little compartment for the passengers and little switch at the back too. This can run very fast, but I don't think this can carry many passengers. Okay, as it has a little room for the passengers, but this is very eye-catching, so I like this one, and I'm going to hide this inside the jungle here. Wow. So friends, let's hide the next one. What is the next one? Wow, friends, see, we have a big cow here, and this cow is very realistic looking. Black and white color combination. It has 4 big legs and a big tail at the back. This is very nice. See, 2 big ears by the 2 sides and very little horns on top of its head. See, this cow is looking at us. Wow, very funny to look at. Shining, its eyes are shining bright. So I like this one, friends, very much. It's a very common domestic animals in our country, so let's hide it inside the jungle here, friends. We better hide it here so no one can see. Wow, well hidden. So let's hide the next one. Wow, friends, see, this one is a very nice, it's a very nice goose. See the color, friends, 2 big wings by the 2 sides. Wow, this is very innocent looking, red and yellow color combination. A big ball on top of this, little switch at the back, 3 little wheels under it. I think you friends like this one very much. This is very adorable and cute. This goose can run very fast with its 3 wheels under it. So let's hide it inside the jungle, friends. Where I can hide it? I think we can hide it here so no one can see. Wow, so let's see, friends, what is the next one. Wow, this one is a very nice looking light aeroplane. See, this aeroplane is looking at us. Wow, how cute. It's blue in color. It has 2 big wings by the 2 sides and little cockpit for the pilot. Wow, and see, 3 wheels under it and little switch at the back too. This aeroplane can fly very fast, I guess. Wow, see, this is very nice. So I think you friends like this one too. Okay, so let's hide it inside the jungle, friends. We better hide it here so no one can see. Wow, we hide it here. It's hardly seen. So let's see what is the next one, friends. Wow, this one is a very nice looking little helicopter. Wow, see the color, very nice and vivid color, friends. It's blue, yellow color combination, little cockpit for the pilot. Wow, see a little fan on top of this. I think you friends like this one. So let's hide it inside the jungle. Wow, we can hide it here. No one can see, friends. Wow, nicely hidden. So what is the last one, friends? Wow, the last one is a very nice looking speedboat. Wow, it's red and white color combination, black windshield, a little propeller at the back. This can run in the water very fast. Wow, high speed boat sticker all around the body. So I like this one and I'm going to hide this inside the jungle. Okay, we can hide it here so no one can see, friends. Wow, so friends, we have completed hiding all the nice brand new toys inside this green vegetation. So this my bucket is empty now, so please stay with us for the next video and I'm going to get them out from these dense clumps of bushes in the next video. Okay, so thank you, friends. Bye bye.